Hey guys, it's me Grace and welcome back to my channel, and today I am playing MSP. But I know I did tell you in my last video I was going to do my closet video where I would show you all my stuff, but today I won't. I'm very sorry. I will do it later because I had so many better videos planned. Yeah. So first of all, we are going to be making something later on though. So first of all, we're going to change my clothes. Before we get the better video started, so I'll be back when we change my clothes. So guys, I am back, and the video we're doing is a Hacker Hunter video. So yes. So I am playing the USA server because there's more people. So let's start with this girl, because we're not gonna be bye. He looks really ugly though anyway, so strip your clothes. Okay, skin color, she's gonna be a white person. We're gonna make a white girl. Because usually people will go to pink and all, but we're going with white. Like, she's going to have no eyebrows. That's really disturbing. That's not white. No eyebrows. Oh my god. I hate making this girl, I know. But I am doing a Hacker Hunter video, so you're gonna deal with it. And so am I. Gonna figure out how to anyway. She's just white, she's like snow. Not even the sole of her shoes are going to be black. White. Wish I could get her any more white, but I can't. Okay, so the user is going to be white girl hacker hunter. White girl hacker hunter. What? White girl hacker hunter 890. Yes. So the password will be Hacker Hunter 123. Hacker Hunter 123. Hacker Hunter 123. Go ahead and take the account. I don't care. It's in the USA server. So when you log in the server, okay, create my account. So ugly. I literally touched my screen right now and you guys can't see my face. If you guys can see the glimpse of me, hi. Because I'm not messing, the actual password is HackerHunter123. Go ahead and try it if you want. So, oh my god, I hate you. Make a discard button. One chat. I bet there's gonna be loads of people because I'm in the USA server. So I wish I made my main USA Bollywood Cafe. So nobody's literally rich except for... Oh my god, I need to do this on this. Hacker Hunter. Not bad. Sorry guys, add my main X Echo 6 Grace stars. Grace, what the heck? Oh guys, I forgot to record for a second. Wait. Say hi, I'm recording my channel, my Vamo, my channel. With Grace Gamers. My channel, make sure you also subscribe to my channel, guys. Doing an expo I'm doing an experiment. So guys, American Sue, she's so pretty, like. Yeah, so guys, there's no one really like messaging or whatever. So like this Hacker Hunter video does not turn out. Please take this again away. I wanna be wait. And shout out to everyone there, by the way, guys. Because they're nice. Bling bling bling. Okay, nobody's there. Except for 1, 2. So guys, nobody is falling or no hacks are around because that is brilliant. That means there's no hackers around, and yeah. Anyway guys, this video was a fail anyway. Make sure to subscribe, that will really help out. It's the red thing saying subscribe, and then after you subscribe it'll pop up as a bell, and then make sure to hit that and you're notified for every video I post. And then to comment is good, like you can give me suggestions, but a like will help my illness. Please get this to about 3-5 likes and I will be better. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.